What's up guys, it's me G Magic. So the exposure compensation, even use the exposure compensation. For example, you are in the aperture, you can use this button, press the exposure plus and minus, and from here you can use the exposure compensation. For example, you are in the movie mode, also you can do the same way. You can use this button to use for the exposure compensation. In manual mode, you can press this one. In manual mode there won't be exposure compensation available, so the shutter speed, aperture, movie program, this mode have the exposure compensation. Just press this button. So yeah, it was me, none other than G Magic. Make sure to subscribe and bye.